Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive and look at the new PriceSmart location in Portmore. So we're in Portmore now on Municipal Boulevard, and at the light ahead we're going to turn left and head on to Brayton Parkway and take a look at the new PriceSmart location. On the right is a mall being built, a very large mall, and across the road, well, on our direct right is the Total Portmore Pines gas station. So if we went straight at this stoplight, if we went straight across, we would stay on Municipal Boulevard, and that will take us back out to Mandela Highway. And if you turn right, you'd go on to Brayton Parkway, and that would take you to the Portmore Pines Plaza and then back to Bridgeport. But we're going to turn left on Brayton Parkway, and if we had continued on Brayton Parkway left, we would have ended back out at the boulevard. Not the boulevard, sorry. The Spanish Town bypass, and that would take us to Spanish Town. Okay, on the left is the new PriceSmart, opened last week, and this is their second location in Jamaica. The first is on Red Hills Road in Kingston and St. Andrew. Now Portmore has a very large population. It has the third largest population in Jamaica, so this was a good location to put a store this size. Now PriceSmart is like a wholesale store. It's similar to BJ's or Sam's in the US, where you buy in bulk. Okay, this is the main entrance here. Okay, where those gentlemen are standing up, that's the entrance. I wonder which one is bigger, this one or the one in Kingston. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. If I was to guess just by driving around, I would think the one in Kingston is bigger. The actual store, not the land or anything, the actual store. Okay, this is the back of the store where they would get the deliveries. Alright, so we're now exiting back onto Brayton Parkway. I wonder why they decided, well, you know why they came to Portmore, because of the population. I was wondering why they don't have a store in Montego Bay for the western part of the country. I guess that's in the works. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.